Welcome back to Zooni Tunes, where your favorite movie characters roll onto the page through fun drawings and bright colors. Today we return to the world of Cars, capturing two of the most loved characters with smooth lines and expressive details. We'll take our time shaping their bodies, faces, and unique features to create drawings that feel full of personality. Each step will bring us closer to turning simple outlines into colorful artwork that jumps right off the screen. So get your tools ready, relax, and enjoy this creative journey as we bring these Cars characters to life. We begin by outlining Matter's quirky tow truck shape, giving him his uneven but charming body design. His large eyes and wide smile slowly appear as we add the details that make him instantly recognizable. The wheels and tow hook help capture his friendly, hard-working personality. By the end of the sketch, Matter's playful, goofy expression shines through perfectly. The darker shades bring out his dents and curves, giving him that authentic, well-used look. Now we color Matter with his warm orange tones that reflect his rustic and cheerful character. Highlights brighten his tow gear and front cap, making him look lively and full of spirit. With the final touches added, Matter stands bright, bold, and ready to help anyone in Radiator Springs. Next we sketch Lightning McQueen, shaping his smooth, aerodynamic body that shows pure racing confidence. His expressive windshield eyes and curved hood take form as we refine each line. We add the wheels, bumper, and details that capture his sense of speed and excitement. With the sketch complete, Lightning already looks ready to shout "Ka-chow" and bolt forward. Shadows and highlights add motion, giving him that speedy and shiny racing look. We fill Lightning McQueen with his classic red color that bursts with energy and personality. Details like the lightning bolt and accents bring out his signature style. By the last stroke, lightning glows with vibrant color, appearing fast, confident, and full of life. Thank you for watching this fun art session where Mater and Lightning McQueen drove onto the page through our drawings and colors. I hope you enjoyed seeing these two friends come alive with every outline, shade, and final detail. Your support helps Zowoni Toons continue making creative videos full of your favorite characters. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another exciting drawing adventure. Stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video with even more amazing artwork.